Educational GMAT. Your partner in your GMAT journey.
Interesting one. A 10 kilogram soil mixture. Soil mixture contains sand and humus, right? Sand and humus. So since we have a total of 10 kg, how much is sand? 30%, right? So basically 3 kgs of sand and 7 kgs of humus, right? Now, in order to create a 10 kg mixture that contains 50% of each component, the question is approximately how many kgs of soil mixture should be removed and replaced by pure sand. How do you approach this? How many kgs of this soil mixture should be removed and replaced by pure sand so that the mixture contains 50% of each component? Basically, sand and humus should be in equal quantities. Correct? Let us assume that X kgs of soil mixture should be removed and replaced by pure sand, let's say. And we have to obviously find out the value of X. Now, this is the most important thing, friends, that right now, what percentage is sand? And 70% is humus. So when you remove X kgs of this soil mixture, 30% of X will be the sand that will be removed, and 70% of X will be the humus that will be removed. Are you guys clear? So when you remove X kgs, when you remove X kg of soil mixture, which means we are removing 30% of X. That's the total number of kgs of sand that we are removing, and 0.7x kgs of humus is being removed. Now, so this is minus x kg of soil. Now what are we doing? Adding x kgs of sand, right? So this is obviously plus x kg, and obviously we are not adding any humus. So finally sand is how much? Finally sand is how much? 3 was the initial. We removed 0.3x and then finally added x kgs of sand. And how much is the humus? 7 minus 0.7 x kgs. Agreed? But then after all this operation, each component has to be 50%, right? Which means basically both these components have to be in equal quantity. So now this is easy. You just solve this. So 3 plus 0.7x is equal to 7 minus 0.7x, right? So 1.4x is equal to 4, 7 minus 3. So x is equal to 4 by 1.4, which would be obviously 40 upon 14, which would be 20 by 7 kgs, which is approximately 2.9 kgs. So that's the answer. So 2.9 kgs of soil should be removed and replaced with pure sand. That would ultimately result in an equal quantity of sand and humus. Are we clear? Any doubt, guys? Any doubt on this process? So this is incidentally what was asked, right? How many kgs of soil mixture must be removed and replaced by pure sand? So we assume that x kgs of soil mixture should be removed and replaced with pure sand. The only thing that was important here is to realize that when x kgs of soil is removed from this mixture, then 30% of x will be the sand that will be removed, and 70% of x will be the humus that will be removed. Because in the original mixture, sand and humus were present in 30% and 70% uh, respectively. So 2.9 kgs is the final answer.
How are we equating the two together?
How
The
are you equating? Because it says that the ultimate 10 kg mixture should contain 50%.
okay, so
A-
there.
Actually, that's a very good point. The question is, why are we equating the two together? So this is obviously one way to go. But then if you look at it, the final 10 kg mixture should have 50%, right? So which means each of these should be 5 kg, right?
Yeah.
So this is another thing you could have done. So basically, yeah, so 7.7 minus 0.7x, for example, has to be 5, right? So 0.7x is equal to 2, which means x is equal to 20 by 7, which would also give us 2.9 kgs. So
Oh,
that is also something you could have done, Chatrika. Yes, good
okay.
point actually. Yeah, yeah. Friends, are we clear? All right.